It's your boy Soup Nizzy, and you are now tuned into the Soup Kitchen. Say Kool-Aid.
To do this
Oh, it's over for this thing. What?
Long as I don't.
Shut the fuck up.
This is some bad. She must have had that trip get dropped. I guess that was up there crazy.
Hey, bro, you need to get the fuck out of my car for real. Be safe this Halloween.
Niggas got to chill, man.
Somebody fuck your shit up.
You know what they call me? Big head.
Yo, what the fuck?
Body for body, nigga, we body shit. Body for body, body after body, we body shit. I said it's body for body, nigga, we body shit. Body for body, body.
What you doing, bro?
Yo, leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone. What the good, bro?
Yo.
Niggas is shooting, nigga. What the fuck, nigga?
Come on, bro.
Uh-oh.
I swear.
You scrapping. Your ass bang doing, bum. Your ass bang doing.
Good day, having a good day, having a good day. Oh my God! He needs some milk.
Milk dog. Niggas got to chill. Question of the day. Nickname her. Make sure y'all comment that nickname in the comments below, man, on the YouTube.
Michelle.
Look at the cheeks, though. You don't peep the little cheekbones. This is where we at in society now, huh? Inquiring minds, definitely.
Look at what we were doing and
Shit, if that ain't corn syrup or something, that look like a slaughter, man. Ah, shit.
Shit, little nigga.
Yeah, don't talk, man, your breath smell like doodle. If your gun had a nose, your own ratchet to shoot you. Cause when you talk, it could get real crucial, man. Your last name is breath and your first name is doodle. You think you cool, but it's the reason why you hot. Cause your breath smell just like sweaty old gym socks. Your breath is a crime and you should have been knocked. Cause when you talk, you rocks people and they roll like Kid Rock. You think you cool, but we think you not. Your face should be on www.mybreathishot. And when it come to breathalyzers, you giving out bad tests. And your breath can't get blocked from a giant mask vest. If I was you, I'd be living in mass stress. All them testing, you ain't get one pass yet. I feel bad because you probably don't get no coochie too. Them girls be like, your breath smell like your booty, dude.
Nigga stupid.
Worldstar! Worldstar!
It's how wait, niggas. It's time to get sexy. Alright? Just because y'all see a girl do some
I see you.
That means she don't with nothing, yo.
Worldstar!
Trying to get sexy.
Yeah! Fat fuck!
Time to get sexy. These moves.
It's like our definitions of sexy different.
Can't stand a fairy tale ass nigga, bro. Just be real with me. Like, for real. If my breath stink, tell me. If my booty, my pussy stink, tell me, bro. Cause at the end of the day, you gotta eat that
Kool-Aid.
shit.
I won't.
Just be real.
Kool-Aid.
I would love it for you to be real with me. I'm not going to
your
cry.
shit stink.
Nah.
You know it stink. I shouldn't have to tell you.
I got some tissue in the bathroom.
You know.
Just be real.
Let's not even play that game, baby girl.
That's all I want.
Nigga.
I don't want nothing.
No.
Other than your nose. Just be real. Okay?
Definitely faded. Or for what is the question. Get numsies in. Wonder what they dreaming about. The world may never know.
Wait! Don't pay! Get in your fucking car! I paid you, you asshole!
Get in your car. What are you doing?
I'm filming. What do you think I'm doing?
Why did you pay? I did pay you! I did pay you! Get in your car and get it. Get it! Get it. Sorry. No, I'm not getting your car. Give me the receipt. Fine. I just gave it to you. It's right there. It's sitting on. It's right there. Decline.
Oh, shit.
Here it is.
Decline.
Keep going, buddy. Here. There we go.
Why do people always do that?
There we go.
What if you need evidence? What if you're not in the wrong?
Yeah.
That just proves that you're in the wrong.
Yeah. You don't know what's going on here. Did you see him hit me? There you go.
You gonna hit him?
Hurry up.
Why, because we're black?
It's not even on. You're not recording me. I'm not stupid.
Penny loafers. I see you, my boy. I see you.
You're the one attacking a taxi driver.
Yeah.
I didn't attack the taxi.
I saw you do it.
I haven't. He shoved me and it's my mistake.
All right.
Okay, all right. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Whatever. Did you get it?
Thanks for the footage.
And that's it. If y'all got any requests of any footage y'all want me to do reactions on this, inbox me, comment at TCB Soup Nizzy on Facebook, at TCB Soup Nizzy on Twitter, at TCB Soup Nizzy on Instagram. Make sure y'all tune in to TCB Films LLC on YouTube, TCB Soup Nizzy on YouTube. For all merchandise, tcbempire.spreadshirt.com. Check in the website for all the videos and everything, tcbfilmsllc.com. Yeah, man, we out here. We just working. Y'all be easy.